Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply video effects to stickers on CapCut PC. So go to the stickers page and just add in any stickers you want. I'm just going to add this one on. Go to media and go to library and add this transparent background to it. Then you're just going to select both, right click and select create compound clip, and this is where you can add in video effects, animations and stuff to stickers. So go to effects, for instance, go to video effects, add in this gleam one, and it's going to be applied to your stickers. And also if you go and select your sticker, you can select animation and add in a video animation, and it is super cool. I think you can add it with the 3D card effect too, but I like to add this on. And that is basically it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!